Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for August 15th to 27th. August 15th to 19th, we still have a ridge that here remains across Alaska and near Greenland. And we have pretty much a zone of flow here above normal heights across much of the west with a trough in the east. This trough eventually weakens as we head through the period. During this period, we're looking for locally heavy rain is forecast in the Central Plains. A front will slowly lift northeast as a baroclonic zone remains across much of the northwest as the weak upper low moves through on Friday. This will increase shower activity across the northwest and the northern Rockies. And then to the south, we have a lingering boundary across the southeast, will provide lift in a favorably moist environment for mostly afternoon showers and storms. August 18th to 22nd, we have a zone of flow across the northern U.S. and a ridge forecast of the eastern Pacific and along the west coast. And we also have a ridge here across the western Atlantic that in various models they show closer to the southeast coast, but overall expected near to above normal heights across much of the nation. Now, this will highly be dependent on, let me see if I can get them up, what goes on here across the western Pacific. We have tropical systems in the tropical Pacific, and this will affect the strength of a trough moving through East China or Eastern Asia, and the strength of the Aleutian Low and the Gulf of Alaska Ridge. So during much of this period, I am forecasting, depending on what I just talked about, above normal temperatures for much of the nation, and a forecast anomalies to be about 6 to 12 degrees above normal. Again, the strength of these anomalies would be dependent on what goes on across the western Pacific. And then for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, and I'm forecasting probability of occurrence is 30 to 35%, and we have above normal precipitation for this region here, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Now we go further into the period. This will be for August 23rd to 27th. And the zonal flow remains across the northern states with above normal heights across the nation, and the positive height anomalies across the northern latitudes slowly weaken as we go through the period. So we're looking at this. So for this forecast period, I'm still forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the nation, but the anomalies will be lower, about 4 to 6 degrees above normal. Highest anomalies will be across the southwest. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 30%. And then we have above normal precipitation for this area here, and the probability of occurrence is 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for August 15th to 27th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.